As you enter the business park, it's the first building you see, so it's very important that building announces what the business park is about.
The City of Southend-on-Sea wanted to deliver an innovative building that would attract new businesses and startups to the city, but they wanted it to be sustainable and they wanted the building itself to be innovative.
We're a coastal town, so we're very, very alive to sea level rise, flooding, as we have been on this site. So all of these things we'll need to take forward, and I think that this has led us in that direction.
It's a really special building because green infrastructure is an integral part of its design.
Let's see what makes it so special. The green roof, permeable pavement and large swale help to retain and infiltrate just over 4,000 cubic metres of rainwater per year. That's about 1.5 Olympic swimming pools. The building has the highest BREEAM rating. It's fully electric and equipped with solar panels. The planting around the building creates a habitat for amphibians, bees and butterflies. It also helps to reduce air temperature, air pollution and noise pollution.
The first thing we did when we wrote a brief about what does our client want here, it was very important to talk about that landscaping and how the building interacted with it. Where's the sun? Where's the watercourse? Where's the wind? Where's the noise? Where does the rain prevailing come from? All that sort of thing is just so important. We're not fitting into the landscape. We are part of the landscape. So half the roof is covered in sedum. It attracts insects, it helps insulate the roof, it also cools. There's a lot of research that suggests that the cooler you keep a PV cell, the more efficient it is. Then around the building, we really went hard on the landscaping. We have a grass area, we have a meadow area. The planting has been carefully selected so it's drought tolerant. So that's very quickly the green credentials of the building.
The Launchpad project has been really quite interesting because what we've done is we've taken a site that many would consider predominantly green at the start. It was a rugby field, but actually that green site wasn't delivering many ecosystem services or benefits. What we've been able to show is that we can actually build a new development on what was considered a green site, but improve the benefits it brings.
The Nature Smart Cities business model helps to quantify these ecosystem services and benefits. In Southend's case, the Launchpad helps water retention and infiltration, microclimate regulation, and provides a habitat for biodiversity. Hopefully, it will also act as an attractor for companies and investments.
We used the business model on the Launchpad development plans. We compared a Launchpad with the green infrastructure we were planning to a Launchpad without any green infrastructure. And we were able to see a huge difference in the value we could get from the site and this new development for a range of ecosystem services.
Okay, so if you look outside, you can see a swale. What does a swale do? So the rainfall from the building, the rainfall from the surrounding landscape, all drains into there, and it's held there and then released slowly into the river system. So that prevents any flooding, and obviously none of it goes down the drain, so we don't overload drains with just rainwater. So we think that's quite a nice feature. So you'd walk out of the cafe in that, over the granite sets, over the bridge, and there'd be just somewhere nice and cool to sit down and work or relax.
It's hard to imagine right now, but when the construction's finished, this will be a really lovely outside area to work in. I have meetings with colleagues. The Wi-Fi will even kind of reach all the way out here to the back of the site, so you can work anywhere.
I think the presence of this building in Southend will help us immeasurably because we can show that we can do these things. We have a willing workforce, we have willing people that are interested in moving forward with green initiatives. And that's the sort of thing that we need to convince government that this is the way forward.